On March 1st, 1833, HMS Beagle dropped anchor in Berkeley Sound, and a young naturalist on board gazed for the first time at the shores of the Falkland Islands. His name? Charles Darwin. This approachable and fruity gin and tonic showcases some of the island's most prized flora. Prepare a mint sprig garnish. Collect a gin goblet. Add fresh lime juice, which brings natural acidity to this drink. The Falkland strawberry is a native fruit that grows freely on these islands. We have used boron strawberry puree in its place. Rhubarb is a perennial crop that is farmed and harvested many times throughout the year. Hepple Gin is a uniquely crafted spirit that is vibrant and intense, packed full of citrus, pine, and juniper flavors. A liquid that personifies its rugged and windswept landscape. Fill with cubed ice. Stir for 5 seconds and then lengthen with Pentman's tonic. Lightly churn to integrate all of the ingredients together. Top with further ice if required. Carefully position the mint sprig garnish. Present and serve.